Hey guys, I got a Troy-Bilt chipper vac here, 5 horsepower. Sat for a bunch of years. Customer just wants me to get it running. I just took the air cleaner off, sprayed a little bit of carb cleaner in there just to see if I can get it to fire. It putted for a second, so that pretty much tells me it's got spark, it's got compression. There's no fuel in the tank, but I'm not going to fill it because I already noticed the fuel line is cracked, so I know I'm going to have to, replace this. I don't want to put fuel in there and have to take it back out. So I'm going to take the carb off quick, take a quick peek at it, see if there's anything gummed up in there. Let's go over it once or twice. If it needs gaskets, do that, and then I'll replace the fuel line right away, put some fuel in it, and see how it works. So you can follow along. This was the air cleaner. It's just 2 screws that pulls it away, and then the 2 screws that hold this to the intake. That fuel line just tore just trying to take that off. It's all dry rotted, cracking. So let's take a look at the carburetor. Now if this person stored this without fuel in it, which it looks like it because that jet looks really clean, yeah, that's not bad at all. Got a little bit of tarnish in there, but let's clean that out a little bit. Check the carb gaskets. That looks really good too. So I'm just gonna clean this up, check the pilot, and put it back together, put new fuel lines in it. All right, pretty good. That was easy. I'll mess with the adjustments once I get it all back together, but I'll get it running first. So that was the carburetor. That was really easy. I didn't barely do anything to that. Looks like they stored it very well, but what I'm gonna do next is I gotta get this, what I gotta do next is get this fuel line out of here. Comes. It wasn't so hard to get out, but I'm worried about getting it back in. You can kind of see the dry rot on this thing. So, got to replace that. So I'll get some replacement fuel line out of here. Measure it up. I like buying this Briggs & Stratton fuel line. 1/4 inch inside diameter. I think it works really well. It's a little more expensive than some of the stuff you find on like Amazon and stuff, but it holds up much better. Now the hard part, we got to fish this through. It goes right through here, as you can see, right along the cylinder without touching the flywheel. So actually wasn't that bad, went through pretty easy. Okay, not bad. Let's get the car back on. Make sure this gasket is here. Got a little gas in here. Put the intake back on. Okay, so all done. All I did was replace the fuel line. Carb was actually pretty good. I bet you if you put some fuel in it, probably would have worked pretty good, but you probably would have ended up with a fuel leak at some point. That fuel line was not looking good at all. But otherwise, I'm just gonna clean it up, get the air filter on there, and send him on his way. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.